Good morning, everybody, and welcome to the easier activity for maths on Thursday, the 28th of January. Now, as over the last 2 weeks, you've been doing some super addition work and super subtraction work using tens and ones. Today, I thought I would challenge you. And today, I thought I would give you a sheet where you have a mixture of addition sums with tens and one pictures and subtraction sums with tens and one pictures. So I'm going to go through it with you now. So here I have 7 ones take away 5 ones. Why have I only drew ones for 7 and not 5? Great work, because when we take away, we're taking away the second number from the ones that we have drew. So here I have 7 ones, and I don't have any tens because 7 is a 1-digit number. And I've got to take away 5 ones, and again, 5 is a 1-digit number, so it's only 5 ones. So it says 7 ones, and you've got to take away 5 ones. So I'm going to do that now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So how many ones, children, does that leave me with? Great work. It leaves me with 2 ones. So I'm going to draw my 2 ones here. And as you'll notice, children, my answer when we take away is always smaller than the biggest number. So my answer is smaller than 7. Because when we subtract, we always start with the biggest number, but the answer is always smaller than the number we started with because we're taking away. Okay, so that's how we do our subtraction sums. Let's have a look at our addition sums. And as you can see here, what's the difference you notice already? I'll just draw some of my ones back in because they've rubbed off. Well done. The biggest difference you'll notice with addition is you draw your tens and ones for both numbers. So whereas on the takeaway we only do it for the biggest number, at adding we do both numbers. We draw both. So here I only have 6 ones. I haven't got any tens because 6 is a 1-digit number. And I've got to add 2 ones because I haven't got any tens again because again 2 is a 1-digit number. So let's have a look, shall we? So we're going to add them together because when we add, our answer is always bigger than the 2 numbers we added together. Are you ready? Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So what does 6 add 2 equal, children? Well done. It equals 8. So I'm going to draw my 8 here. Nice and neatly. Should we have a look at a tricky one? Let's have a look then, shall we? So here I have another what sum? Do I have an addition sum or a subtraction sum? Great work. I have a subtraction sum. How do you know it's a subtraction sum? There might be 2 ways you might know. Brilliant. The first way we know it's subtraction is because of the math symbol, and this is a takeaway. But we also know because I haven't got any tens and ones on my second number. I only have tens and ones on my biggest number. Because when we take away, our answer is smaller than the biggest number. So our answer is going to be smaller than 35. So let's have a look at 35. I have how many ones in 35? Great work. I have 5 ones. And how many tens do I have in 35? Well done. I have 3 tens. So let's have a look what I've got to take away. I've got 5. Have I got 5 tens or 5 ones? Well done. I have 5 ones because we know it's ones because it's a 1-digit number. So I need to take 5 ones. I've got 5 ones and I need to take away 5 ones. I wonder how many that's going to leave me. Are you ready to help me count? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many ones have I got, children? I have 0 left. But children, even though we have 0, it's really important we still write our ones number answer in our number sentence. So we don't just leave it blank, we write 0. I'm leaving a little gap because I know I've got some tens. Okay, so now we've worked out I've got 0 ones. From 5 ones take away 5 ones. Let's have a look at the tens. So I've got 3 tens in 35. How many have I got to take away? Well done. I haven't got to take any away because 5's a 1-digit number. I have 0 tens. So what's 3 tens take away 0 tens? Great work. It's 3 tens. And I'm going to draw it before the ones number because tens always come before the ones. Okay, let's have a look. So 35 take away 5 equals 3 tens and 0 ones. Is that how we say the number? No, the answer is 30. Well done. Let's have a look at another one. So we've looked at a subtraction trickier one. Let's now have a look at an addition one. And again, what do you notice? You're absolutely right. I have drew the tens and ones for both numbers because when we're adding, our answer's going to be bigger than 16 and 3. So, 16, I have how many ones? 6. And how many tens? 1 10. Well done. I've got to add how many ones? I have to add 3 ones. And as you can see, 3 is a 1-digit number. So let's start by adding the ones, shall we? Can you help me count? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I have how many ones altogether? 9 ones. So I'm going to leave my little gap because I think I might have some tens today. I'm going to draw my 9 ones nice and neat, making sure my 9's the right way round, sorry. There we are. Okay, now let's have a look at the tens. I've got 1 10, add how many tens? 0 tens because 3's a 1-digit number. So let's have a look. 1 10, add 0 tens. What's the answer? Well done. It is 1 10. And 1 10 goes before or after the ones? It goes before. So I'm going to put my 1 10 nice and neatly here. So let's read it together. 16 add 3 equals 19. Well done. And look, I told you when we add, our answer's always bigger than the numbers we started with. Let's have a look. I've got some 2-digit and 2-digit sums now, children. So here I have another subtraction sum and I've only drew my tens and ones for the biggest number. Shall we have a look then? Let's start. So I've got 48 take away 21. How many ones does 48 have? Well done, it has 8. And how many tens does 48 have? Brilliant, it has 4 tens. Let's look at 21. How many ones does 21 have? Great work, it has 1 1 and we know because it's the last number. So I've got to look at my ones first. So you told me I had 8 ones in 48. So that means I've got to take away 1 1 from the 8 ones. Let's do it together then. Are you ready? So 1 1 taken away. So to find out how many I have left, I'm going to have to count them now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I have got 7 ones left. So I'm going to put it, leave a little gap. So I think I might have some tens. Oh, sorry, children. I think my pen's running out. I have 7 ones left. Now let's have a look at the tens. So I've got 4 tens. Take away how many tens in 21? 2 tens. So I've got to take away 2 tens. Are you ready? Can you help me? 1, 2. I've taken away my 2 tens. So how many now do I have left? Well done. I have 1, 2, 2 tens left. And I'm going to put that before my ones. I'll make my 7 look a little bit clearer, children, for you. So my answer to 48 take away 21 equals 27. And as you can see, children, when we take away, our answer is smaller than the number we started with because we're taking some away. Let's have a look at the next one. So here, what sort of sum have I got? How do we know? Well done. We know I've got an addition sum because A, the symbol in the middle is adding symbol. And also we know it's an adding sum because I've got tens and ones for both numbers. So let's have a look at our two numbers. I've got 24. How many ones are in 24? Well done, there's 4 ones. And how many tens are in 24? Well done, there's 2 tens. Let's look at our second number we're going to add to it. How many ones again are in 24? Fabulous, 4 ones. And how many tens are in 24? Excellent work, there's 2 tens. So children, when we're doing our addition or subtraction sums, what do we always focus on first? Well done, we always look at the ones first. So I've got 4 ones and I need to add to another 4 ones. Are you ready to help me? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many ones do I have altogether? Well done. I have 8 ones altogether. So again, because I know I'm probably going to have some tens, I'm going to leave a little gap and then I'm going to draw my 8 ones. I'm going to draw 8 as a number. Okay, so now I've added all my ones up. What have I got to add together now? Well done. I've got to add my tens together. So I've got 2 tens in 24 and another 2 tens in 24, in doubling 24. So let's count all the tens up. Are you ready? 1 10, 2 tens, 3 tens, 4 tens. So 2 tens add 2 tens make 4 tens. Well done. And I'm going to put my 4 before the ones number because tens always go before the ones. So 24 add 24 equals, well done, it equals 48. Excellent work. So today, children, I have done you a sheet. And as you can see, there's some subtraction sums and there are some addition sums. And your job is going to be to solve them. So remember, if it's take away, we don't have the second number tens and ones. But if it's addition, we have both the tens and ones in both numbers. Because when we add, the answer is always bigger. But when we subtract, the answer is always smaller than the number we started with. Okay, so I hope that you really enjoy doing this activity. And also, can I remind you about making sure you send in the fantastic work you're doing into your class teacher by taking a photo and emailing it to us because we really, really enjoy seeing all the wonderful work that you're doing. So well done and keep it up because we've loved seeing it so far. Well done, children. Have a lovely day. Bye-bye.